Alright, so hopefully we have a quick one today. My my apprentice, uses a Medion brand graphics tablet, one that was sold at Aldi some years ago. It was gifted to us by a friend that no longer is with us, unfortunately. In any case, it's not quite working as designed, so I decided I'd pull it apart. Things aren't quite working right. There's a little carbon buffer or rubber pad here, and this button. Clearly at some point this has had a dud battery in here. Not sure how much it's affected everything else. So let's get this open and see what's happening. Now on inspection, I gather this little clip here is responsible for holding the bottom section in, or at least the electronics. We'll see if we can maneuver this out. I may need something better than a pair of tweezers to do this. Alright, so on further inspection there is something in here that is preventing this from coming out, and it may be a wire of some kind. I don't want to pull on it for fear of breaking something that I can't fix, but getting in here, it does tell me something. Let's zoom in slightly. I can inspect the circuit board here and where this little channel is, and it would appear to me that this pen has been laying down when this battery has failed, which means it hasn't gotten into the circuits. Alright, I gave it a quick scrub up. I could certainly do better. I don't want to scrub the coating off at the moment. So we're going to whack a brand new battery in here. We will probably test that battery is good. Probably sensible to do. I need to change the angle on my desk. Let's see if you can write something on the new graphics tablet, hey? Still getting used to it. We're going to practice our right.